In this video, we are going to look at 1, what is a mole ratio, and 2, how can I use it to change between substances in a conversion. So going from moles of one substance to moles of a different substance. So I want you to think about this Big Mac equation. We have 3 buns, 2 burgers, and 1 cheese, and it makes 1 Big Mac. I want you to go ahead and write the number of buns to the number of sandwiches that it takes to make a Big Mac on your paper right now. So it takes 3 buns to every 1 sandwich. Or if we were to write it in a fraction, we would do 3 buns up top and 1 sandwich on the bottom. The number that we use to find the ratio of buns to sandwiches, that was our coefficient. We did not use our subscript. And we are going to use our coefficient from our chemical equations to do our mole ratios when we go to do conversions. So a mole ratio is a conversion factor that relates the amounts of 2 different substances. The numbers used in a mole ratio are the coefficients which we know are our moles from the balanced equation. So if I was trying to write the mole ratio of Mg to O2 from the equation in the picture to the right, the coefficient on Mg is 2. So I would start by writing 2 moles Mg, 2, and then there's no number in front of O2. We know when there's no number, our number we use is 1. So our coefficient on O2 would be 1. That's going to be the number that we use in our mole ratio. So 2 mole Mg to 1 mole O2. I want you to pause this video and write the mole ratios for the next 2 boxes, moles of Mg to MgO, and then the mole ratio of O2 to MgO. The mole ratio of Mg to MgO would be 2 mole Mg to 2 mole MgO. And the mole ratio of O2 to MgO would be 1 mole O2 to 2 mole MgO. So these numbers just tell us for however many moles of Mg I need, the number of moles I will need for O2 and MgO. I want you to pause the video after these instructions. You have 2 equations for number 3. CH4 plus 2O2 makes CO2 plus 2H2O, and 2Al2O3 makes 4Al plus 3O2. I want you to find the mole ratios for these 6 boxes. And then I also want you to put your answers in the Google form when you are finished. So that way I know how you're doing throughout the worksheet, and you also have the answers on your notes. So pause here, answer these, and then put your answers in the Google form.